How to draw the New Orleans Saints logo. We are going to draw two curved lines that come together at the top to a point. Then from the bottom of the left curved line, we are going to draw a big curved line that goes out to the left and downwards. Now we are going to draw another curved line just like that one, but on the right side. Great, now we are going to draw a curved line below the one that we just drew that connects at the right with a point. Awesome job! Now we are going to do the same thing on the left side. Then connecting to the bottom of those two curved lines, we are going to draw two more small curved lines, and these ones will be going up and down. Awesome job! Now connecting to the bottom of that, we are going to draw two more curved lines, and these ones will curve outwards. Now we are going to draw another set of curved lines, and these ones will start where we ended and curve below and inwards. Then to connect the space, we are going to draw two slightly curved lines that will go downwards and come to a point similar to like we did at the top, but this will be a little bit shorter. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. The hard part of drawing the New Orleans Saints logo is all finished. Now we are going to go ahead and outline the shape that we just drew. As we are outlining this shape, we are going to try to keep a similar width around the whole thing. If you like the New Orleans Saints, then comment down below, Go Saints! And if there are other NFL logos that you would like us to draw, then comment those down below as well. Or if there's any other sports teams' logos, you can comment those down below too, and we will make sure that we draw all the logos that you want to see. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to outline this shape again the same way that we just did. You may be wondering, why are we outlining this logo so many times? Well, you will see that when we color in the New Orleans Saints logo, the outline of it will be black, white, and then black again. And so we need to draw multiple outlines so that we can have those different areas to color in the different colors. Your drawings are looking awesome. Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. You're almost done drawing the second outline. Amazing! Now we are going to draw one final outline of the New Orleans Saints logo. This is how to draw the New Orleans Saints logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials, then be sure to check out our channel and subscribe. Also, if you want to see more logo drawings in particular, then check out our logos playlist. There you will see logo drawings such as the Bengals, Chiefs, and the Miami Dolphins. You could also see how to draw a football or the NFL logo. And as always, if there's something that you would like us to draw that we haven't, make sure to comment down below so that we know what you want to see. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.